Welcome to the core idea of just-in-time, achieving flow without waste by applying lean principles and continuous flow thinking. The slide shows linked workstations and a central waste bucket to remind us that any non-value activity slows the whole line. The goal is a smooth, predictable flow where materials and information move exactly when needed and resources focus only on value creation. This slide defines waste in the JIT context and shows how to eliminate it to free up resources. The circular diagram highlights common MUDA: overproduction, waiting, excess inventory, defects, and more, while the funnel graphic illustrates redirecting capital, labor, and space into value-creating steps. In short, remove non-value activities, and you shorten cash-to-cash cycles and boost operational efficiency. Here we explain the pull system, where production is driven by actual customer demand rather than forecasts. The diagram uses Kanban signals and withdrawals to authorize replenishment, minimizing work-in-process inventory and aligning takt time with consumption. This customer-driven flow reduces lead times, lowers inventory costs, and increases flexibility by forcing each process to operate at the pace of real demand. This slide focuses on the Kanban system as a simple, non-verbal authorization method for inventory control. Whether using physical cards or a digital equivalent, visual authorizations signal exact quantities and destinations between stages, capping inventory and exposing disruptions quickly. The visual flow helps teams spot bottlenecks, enforce predetermined levels, and trigger root cause analysis so issues are addressed immediately. Single-minute exchange of dies, or SEM-AED, is about converting long changeover hours into minutes to enable small batch flow and mixed model responsiveness. By documenting standardized procedures, using quick-release fixtures, and running parallel tasks where possible, changeovers become quick and repeatable. The outcome is rapid responsiveness to demand, smaller lot sizes, and a dramatic reduction in inventory buffers. Built-in quality underpins defect-free JIT flow by preventing errors at their source. The slide highlights Poka-yoke devices, statistical process control, and operator self-inspections that stop defects, stabilize processes, and create immediate feedback loops. With this approach, there's little to no buffer inventory because quality is enforced at the point of origin, meaning any anomaly triggers fast detection and corrective action. This slide shows how reliable JIT extends beyond factory walls through collaborative supplier relationships, moving away from adversarial, transaction-based models towards synchronized schedules and long-term partnerships enables smaller, precise deliveries, quality certifications, and joint improvement projects. The result is reduced total cost and coordinated logistics, with suppliers treated as integrated partners in maintaining smooth, just-in-time flow. Milk Run routing consolidates pickups and streamlines inbound logistics to support low inventory levels. The visual shows a fixed cycle truck visiting suppliers frequently, reducing inbound costs and dock congestion, while enabling replenishment without full truckloads. By shortening order-to-delivery lead times and smoothing inbound flows, Milk Runs help maintain steady production with minimal on-hand inventory. This slide describes IoT and cloud-enabled JIT, where sensors capture consumption data, cloud platforms transmit signals instantly, and electronic pull triggers dynamically adjust schedules. Predictive analytics replace static cards with e-Kanban and TAC calculations, allowing supplier schedules to update in real time. Scaling these signals across multi-tier networks enables synchronized, demand-driven operations on a global scale. Blockchain-enabled JIT introduces immutable shared ledgers and smart contract automation to reduce reconciliation delays and build trustworthy collaboration. The slide shows tamper-proof inventory records feeding predefined consumption events that trigger automatic replenishment and payments. By creating a common, secure supply ecosystem, Competitors and partners can cooperate on JIT activities, with higher visibility and fewer manual interventions. The JIT model is lean, but susceptible to shocks, so layered contingency plans balance efficiency with resilience. This slide outlines strategies like dual sourcing near customer regions, collaborative forecasting with Tier 1 suppliers, strategic safety stock for critical components, and rapid rerouting algorithms. Together, these measures aim to preserve core JIT flow while absorbing disruptions without reverting to bloated inventory buffers. Emerging JIT points toward a zero-latency pull system by integrating advanced technologies like additive manufacturing, autonomous mobile robots, and AI-driven demand sensing. On-demand 3D printing and flexible intralogistics enable point-of-use production and dynamic transport, while AI compresses planning cycles and aligns supply to instant demand. The combined outcome is production and fulfillment only when needed, supporting truly responsive, direct delivery operations.